Hello friends, today we are discussing about the environment and environmental studies. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, नोटिफिकेशन पाने के लिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें. And the environment is the word which we get from the French word environner, which means encircle or surround. According to the Environmental Protection Act 1986, it is physical, biological surrounding of an organism and their interaction with organism. We also understand it by example like organism which may be a human being, which can be a human being, which depend for their survival on water, air and soil. He grow his food in soil and he take air for breath and water to drink, and by this he survive in their environment. And all these things affect the organism and it affect the life of organism, and this total concept is called environment. Now we are concentrating on environmental studies. Environmental study is a multidisciplinary nature in which we study the interaction of human being with their environment. It uses concept of life science, mathematics, engineering, management and physical science. Life science means botany, biotechnology and biology, in which the structure of microorganism and we study their behavior. In the management, we study the social economics of any microorganisms, organisms or human beings. In engineering, we study the effect of civil engineering, chemical engineering or environmental engineering. In physical science, we study the effect of chemistry, physics of particular organism on their environment and effect of environment on particular organism. Mathematics, statics or mathematical model we use quickly and predict their behavior in the environment. Now we are focused on scope of environmental studies. The scope of environmental is first scope in research and development. We are studied and working in research and development on various chemicals, but it is not a green chemistry. We need, when we work on research development, work on development of environment friendly chemicals which are environment friendly, and we can also say that green, green chemicals. And second scope of environmental study is green marketing. In this, there are very industrial process and technique which produce so much of waste which is not environment friendly. So we need to work hard to focus on green marketing. We emphasize on the production of green chemical product which is environment friendly. And third is green law and acts. We need to those type of act which strictly follow all the law and act which helpful for maintain and sustainable development of our environment. Point is green mass communication, in which we are educate every people about the green chemistry and environment friendly products by radio, television, magazines and other communication means. Third is environmental related consultancy, in which we need to consult the NGO and government agencies to work for the environment friendly way and increase the awareness of these government organizations. And now focus on global or local environmental issue. Global environmental issue are those environmental issues which affect whole world, whereas local environmental issues affect only locally. For example, there is production of CO2 gas. It affects globally. Due to the increase of CO2 concentration in atmosphere, it increased the temperature of the atmosphere, due to which icebergs are melting, and due to which rise of seawater, and it affects the lower level of the coastal area, and they can sink it in sea, and it difficult the life of people who live at coastal area. There is local issues such as waste generated and we dump it into water, which is pollute our water body. There is air pollution due to the release of harmful gas from factories which locally present near to any city, and these are the local issues. How we individually impact on our environment. We need to live in clean way, neat and clean way. We need not to waste our important water resources by opening a tap and leave them. Another important thing is we do not waste chemicals in open dump and other things. Now we focus on awareness of public for environment. We need educated people for the sustainable development in the environment. If people are educated, they easily understand the meaning of environment and how we reduce our waste and how we minimally pollute our environment. And it is very necessary environmental education for the impact on the environment and live environment friendly. There are some important event dates. First is World Forest Day, March 21, World Water Day, March 22, World Environment Day, June 5, World Population Day, July 11, Earth Day, April 22, World Ocean Day, June 8, International Biodiversity Day, December 29th. There are several peoples which are important and they play very important role in the conservation of environment. First of among is Wangari Maathai. She awarded Nobel Peace Prize for her contribution in sustainable development, democracy and peace. Second is Sri Sundarlal Bahuguna for his Chipko movement and Tehri Bachao Andolan. Third is Srimati Medha Patkar and Miss Arundhati Roy for their Narmada Bachao Andolan. Fourth is Salim Ali for their ornithologist. Ornithologist is the study of birds. Fourth is Miss Maneka Gandhi, former environmental minister, known for their work in wildlife protection. थैंक यू। वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, नोटिफिकेशन पाने के लिए बेल आइकन को क्लिक करें।